Make the woman feel free. Pick anything. You know what I mean? Pick anything. Now open shackle. My fellow man, carry me go boutique. That Coco boutique for worry. He said, pick anything. Jesus. It never happened to me before. But they do it for people. You know, say, that is. I got pick one shirt. Now the guy say, whether I don't like this one. That's why we don't I pick. If you see the bag when I pick, not food. The guy say to me, say, pick now. I couldn't develop feeling for my fellow man. When the guy paid 2.7 million, when the guy used the ATM pay, I don't know where gay spirit come on. Yeah, today we want to rehearse what we want to do for Egypt. Yeah, today na rehearsal. The people will be happy. You don't understand. Alright, greetings from Ozoro. Our hotel deal. They love me for hotel for Ozoro. Now they give me Betty bucket. I say what I want to do. They say my job hold in case rain fall.
Uncle, please tell us a story.
I'll be at the talk, so you go. What I tell you say that hotel? I don't go enjoy that. And the time say that the best hotel for Zoro. They say the hotel never reach 3 months. When they build them. I also get where since a new hotel. I don't work at this when I get ask me say whether I go like mosquito coil. Waiting shock me. I reach the hotel. I want bath. Now I remember say they not give me towel. Now I call the reception, the number no go. Now I see one staff, they walk up pass. I said, I want to get towel. He said, I go down. Oh. You know, say. And the show, they don't tell me, say, in the next 10 minutes, they'll come pick me. Now I go downstairs. Now I ask the receptionist, and they not give me towel. Now the receptionist ask me, they not tell me. I said, tell me waiting. They said, I'm here at room 8. They share that. Permit me to recognize all the senior men in the house tonight. Tonight be like ritualist night. All my men when get day. First time when everybody want day today. Big shout out to Dennis. Dennis, God bless you. See that pan when you buy from Italo for me. Now we are go airport. Everybody dey trip for me. I can wear short nigga my sexy leg. Doings. And even program they will feel bad now. What the shoe when I got bad say man you give me now wear today. It's mad. Now wear original leather. I goggle and think cost. Now I go wear throughout. Never see anything. They mad. The guy don't do video call. I don't say where they say they eat. I say, oh yeah, I should give my guy come. I should give my guy come. I better tell her say I appreciate the show. I don't send a message. As I wear and thing fit me. Correct. Alright, with this shoe you can never have issues. Now, big shout out to Engineer Matthew. Always supporting us back to back. Whether on island or whether on mainland or whether on the land or he's always coming up for us. Big shout out to you, man.
He's done so much for me, I cannot tell it all.
Willie, big shout out to Dombe. Yes, Dombe CEO HDEBAY TV. He just got back from where he went.
I'm coming home, I'm coming home. Tell the world
Sorry. God bless you. I never said it today.
I got some stunning shades on.
Big shout out to Charles, Engineer Charles. Big shout out to you. Kevin told me what you did for him just to ask you how are you. Check your father saying message. Kevin, wait. You know, say that's the one you talk. Said that somebody rich man go meet each other for boutique or for shopping mall. It's true. Listen. Now the day when they do me that thing, now I know how women they feel. If you take them out for shopping, women, if you take them out, maybe you carry a woman go boutique, say pick anything. You get the way that they feel. Women, am I communicating? No, I mean wholeheartedly. Not saying you go carry the guy, go. You want to pick something, you got to stop and not pick some. Make the woman feel free. Pick anything. You know what I mean? Pick anything. Now open shackle. My fellow man, carry me go boutique. That Coco boutique for worry. He said pick anything. Jesus. It never happened to me before. But they do it for people. You know, say, Dennis, I got pick one shirt. Now the guy say, whether I don't like this one. Now so we don't I pick, if you see the bag when I pick, not food. The guy say, let me say, pick now. I couldn't develop feeling for my fellow man. When the guy paid 2.7 million, when the guy used the ATM pay, I don't know where gay spirit come on. As I carry the two bags, now I say, baby, let's go. Alright, thank you. That is just an introduction to the show tonight. Alright, I don't want to know whether on a day in the mood to laugh. Alright, can we start the show properly now? Alright, my name is DESTALKER. Those of you who are meeting me for the first time, I will never be too big not to introduce myself. The comedy catalyst. You're one of Nigerian comedy. You know me, the one of Adeshope Kingdom. The other Beko, you say one of Nigerian comedy. Ego na one. You know do really one. You know me one. Listen to me. By bet I be comedian and I'm funny. Let me be DESTALKER. Don't do that. Comedy catalyst. Normally I'm funny. So now so calling me boss. anything. My show for just now 29 October this month. Now I call artist. Artist tell me say 60 million. Now I call the one when you know they rain again. He still tell me 4 million. You know they rain again, no? But I don't know Jogodo. Jogodo Professor DJ reminded them, I don't know Jogodo. Why not remember the song again? Because the advert for my show, the advert for DJ, you get our advert for just show. The advert for my show, thank God I don't put artist's name. I just say one surprise act. So anybody wanna bring a surprise? Jogodo tell me 4 million. That's okay. If you go to 4 million, I must go be Oris Williki. You know, say the one guy calls for just give me. Say, I use what if this guy now? I want to go. Mish say in the collect 2.6. Mish. Why don't go home?
There comes a time we all live in search of so-called green pastures. This was the case of Iyabo, who had left home for very long for all the hustle.
This was a 2.6 million. That's okay. At least I can't remember one. For my mind, if I give her 30,000, it go come. Kimiranki. But now this one go pay me if I don't know Kimiranki. Yeah, I don't know Kimiranki. Guess it.
Hey, give me that. You know,
this was a 1.1. I said we are getting. I said this one they don't know it's song again. Sit up. Now verse. Now go studio. I go sing. I never hear my son DJ now song. Now maybe there's talker. Don't do that. Comedy catalyst. Okay, now go young and every all them with this one. Normally I'm funny. Calling me boss. Myself. Now I say the soccer much you go charge for the soccer laughter crusade for Jaws. Now I tell myself free.
For the very first time, the house of DESTALKER will invade the city of
More than a year, listen to me. Grace show for this Jaws show. My give I wanted. I just got back from Jaws. Listen to me. My grace show First of all, this show, I never spent 1 naira of my money. Now I put a show, I go perform. Now that prophecy touch one guy. Now your guy collect mine from me because it's the stalker. For you to perform in 1 hour and you do this kind of thing, I want me you can do your own show for just. I will pay for the hall, he pay for the hall. As he pay for the hall, another person stand up, now he pay for the artist. Another one stand up, now he pay for the flight. Different people, another one stand up, now he say, go give me 20 rooms. Not at least, you know, great show. Now, the same person when people the other night come and say he won't pay for. He said that how when he pay for it, but this class say, what he do never reach. He said, he won't give me screen, he won't give me light, he won't give me sound. Oh, I never understand this. That was last 3 months. Last week when I was in Jos, now the guy say, in spirit, tell us say he never still do enough. Say if they buy car for the show, make her give her to anybody when win the raffle draw. Oh, Libraza Gadele Zege Bodigade. In case you don't understand. Oh. Now the man tell me, say, make I go meet the bank manager. Say the bank manager say, I maybe best comedian. I say, my joke, they say they do money devotion. Now I go meet a UBA bank manager, just Charles Wosu. As I did, the man asked me, I love your jokes. I said, thank you, sir. He said, what can I do? They don't answer that question before. What can I do to support this show? I said, sir, everything will be sorted. Now I say, no, I need to contribute. Though I'm traveling to London a day before your show, but I want to buy a table. As he buy table, he said, no, I'm not still comfortable with the only table I bought from you. Imagine, first time in Jos, no table of 1 million again. Sir, now the guy say, I need to contribute. The owner of Club Valen, what is the name of that club? Valen. He said, the soccer, I don't know how to contribute to this show, but you know the venue is far from Unit Jos. I will give you 10 coaster bus to bring students to the show and take them back to their school. Now the bank manager tell me, say the soccer since they have done all this thing for you, are you interested to do the show next year, 2024? I say yes. Now people call the owner of the hall, transfer, pay for the hall for 2024.
For the very first time, the House of DESTALKER will invade the city of Jos. Ladies and gentlemen, House of DESTALKER presents DESTALKER Laughter Crusade, Jos Edition.
If I didn't make sense, shut DESTALKER!
MC Chaka Chaka, Kelvin Great, MC Royal, Abari Nakar, Ogato Gandu, Osama, Liki Mao, Privilege Song, MC Downfall, George, and lots more. Music by DJ Kesley and one surprise guest artist. You also stand a chance to win a brand new car, courtesy Dr. Fee. Date Sunday, October 29th. Venue, Means Palace, Redfield, Jos. Time, red carpet 2 p.m. and main event 4 p.m. Tickets regular 3,000 naira, VIP 10,000 naira. For table reservations, please call 0810-296-2399. DESTALKER Laughter Crusade is packaged by A-Town Concepts and Namar Events.
Wow. Listen to me. When God is involved, negative is dissolved.
Butterflies in my tummy when the money ain't now me, I like it. Like a rich and it's all in the plan, my mind ready to fall. I buy it down for my baby, go don't you want me?
Anyway, thank God I pursue my dream about the Okada man. Today I want ball. You don't tell when I ball for this 7. Me, I want ball today. Let's shut it down. Anyway. Okay, the bad drink. Waka fast. I don't pass on them. VSOP. Why you can't come this side? Wait. But I don't really see me finish. No, why you carry the drink now? Wow. Ah, sorry, oh, sorry. Carry the drink, go outside. DJ will see when they give drink here in the sweet. I go Ozoro, somebody buy Campari, they off music.
Give me love, give me a body.
DJ wait. Ah, Ozoro. Ah, may they call me again first. Then because they say one good tongue deserves another. So one bad tongue, he no deserve an abi. Ah, but their guess make sense. Their guess make sense. And what I just cover up. Their guess make, they no cost. I carry one girl and mama one night.
Man, I'm straight from the jungle, so man just steady the power. Smoking like a fat drink, drink them more for shower. And I know send nobody, I'm from Zanga. Come see wow, come see we the Gaza, 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 we the Gaza, 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 we the Gaza, Gaza. And I know send nobody, I'm from Gaza, come see wow.
You know be like Lagos guys, so carry Lagos from scare. You still need contact. You need to talk to manager. Guess Lagos gonna to get pride. To carry you need to carry girl for Lagos, you still need connection. From scare, not say you want marry. You still need connection. You first talk to the manager. Manager will go talk to the girl. Manager will call the daddy girl. Nah, nice guy. Follow on my guy. He will do you well. Just to carry girl when you want pay. Ozoro. I don't know whether they do promo yesterday. You carry one girl, two of our friends go follow am. Small money oh. 5 guys don't say school dey there. Ozoro University, I be had the call school. The girl they know they complain. I do 2 hours I never come. The girl see they enjoy them. Lagos girls, they will collect big money or they interview you. You never come. They'll come and answer your rubbish question. What do you drink? You collect big money, you need to work big work. Bible one it does say give and it shall be given unto you. Waiting. Get go to interview you. What will I do to make it come? I hate that question. If you answer that question, 2 years I'm not gonna come.
From here, where see the body you? Everybody make a rock and I know you seen your me.
Thank God says small money don't dey mad o. That one a day cartoon. When a day cartoon. No topic. We never start until the when a day cartoon. Now that I know say poor people dey fuck because they are not scared of anything. You know why? He that is down, fear no fall.
So far so good, I thank God for giving me life today.
Yes, now. Poor man go fuck. Never go take life. Everywhere go hot. Go do like this. I know say when sweat touch your eye, your eye go call the pepper you. Eat your cover one eye.
Don't worry, for this life, man. If you don't make happiness, say you try your best.
Not be now when small money don't take my hand. I dey lie. Now small money don't touch our hand. We know if you don't touch the guy just say leave me. You don't go downstairs, enter another room. You don't sleep. The next morning, give her transport. She go.